Alright guys, so today we're installing some new Mopar OEM mud flaps, or they're also called splash guards, on my 2009 Dodge Charger. I think that mud flaps are a nice cheap mod for your car. Not only do they look great, but they also serve a purpose since they minimize the spray of water, mud, snow, and rocks, which protects your paint job and your fender. You do have a variety of options as well. Some people like the bigger rally style mud flaps, and I just prefer some smaller ones that help make the car's stance look just a little bit wider. The specific mud flaps in this video will fit any 06 to 2010 Charger or Challenger, and also Mopar sells updated ones for the newer cars as well. I will put the part numbers on screen, and I'll try to post some links below in case you want to pick up a pair for your Mopar. I bought these straight from the dealership since they are an OEM product, and the pricing will vary depending on the dealer and the car, but they're usually around $40 to $50 per pair, front and back. So the first thing we're going to do is unbox these. One box of course has the front pair and the other box has the rear pair. Each box also comes with all the screws you will need for the installation, as well as some picture instruction sheets from Mopar. So before I actually install the new mud flaps, I do have to remove my old current mud flaps that I have on the car. They're really cheap Walmart mud flaps that the previous owner had on, and they got all scuffed up and cracked and torn apart, so they're going off. So now it's time to install the new mud flaps. Here are the instructions for them. It's really a super easy install. You get all the pieces needed and you just need a drill and pliers or a similar tool like that to pry off some push pins. I'll do the front ones first and then the rears, trying to show every step of the installation along the way. So the first thing to do is just pry off the push pins that keep the fender liner in place. On the front there's going to be 3 of them. Next you slip on these washer type things, really not sure what they're called, but they go over the holes where the push pins just were. There are 2 on each side for the front mud flaps, and the thinner one goes higher up, while the slightly thicker one fits at the bottom.